Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Mr.SmartKid. Today we'll be drawing a how to draw tutorial, the 1961 Birdcage. Start with our rough sketch. Now that we've got our rough sketch finished, we're going to improve from here. So we are going to add the tires and this part. So make the tire look 3D. No shadow here. So there we got our front part finished. Now we're going to add the lights. Whenever you're drawing glass or light, I kind of add a little line like that on it to make it look shiny and like a little reflection to make it look more realistic. So you do that whenever you're drawing glass. It's going to make your drawing, if it has glass in it, your drawing's going to look 10 times better, trust me. So we're going to add the little stripe. There we go. Then we're going to, this back part. And in the back, it's kind of has this flat shape, and to make 3D, I'm going to just add a part like that. There's the door. The little details, remember, never add any little details when you're doing a rough sketch. That's never going to work out for a professional drawing. So you always add them last. In the back, we have this part. What else should we add? A shadow here, maybe. And here is our 1961 Maserati Birdcage. Thank you for watching this tutorial by me, Mr.SmartKid. Make sure to like, sub, and share my channel if you want to see more tutorials like this. And maybe I'll release a tutorial where I color this drawing.